Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about how to make an effective resume. Resume preparation. And secondly, we are going to how to secure an IT job, more easily. How to secure a more IT job more easily. What are the skills required? How to learn those skills? How to learn those skills? And how to secure a job into an IT sector, right? So, firstly, before getting into the resume preparation, first, a fresher who is coming out of college cannot secure a job easily without any kind of skills, right? Simply mentioning skills like technical skills, Python, Java, C++, and some of the candidates mention like I know MS Office, I know etc kind of things, tools and all. So there is no use of mentioning personal details, technical skills, career objective, educational qualifications in your resume as a fresher. So, most of the companies look for candidates with hands on experience in a particular domain, right? So, only with the knowledge of a programming language, he won't be able to secure an IT job in the present market. Previously, it was possible before pandemic or till 2022. 2022, it was possible for candidates with simple resume to secure a job. Right after 2022, the market has changed very drastically, and companies are looking for candidates with more hands-on knowledge. Now the question is how to gain hands-on knowledge, right? So this can be done through many ways. So as a college student, you can do internship with companies, IT companies, with IT companies. There are many companies looking for students for internships in their final semester or final year of their education, right? This can be done by uh, students of final year bachelor's degree or master's degree. Fine. So this is one thing which a student can do, a candidate can do to gain hands-on knowledge on a domain in the real-time experience, right? Internship exposes a candidate Internship exposes a candidate to real-time environment in companies, right? So this is the first option, and the second one is a candidate can attend hackathons. The student can attend hackathons and they can solve problem statements within a specified time. So there are hackathons in various domains, right? Sorry. So students can attend hackathons, right? They can attend meetings. They can attend meetings and conferences organized by multiple startups and companies. So many of the companies like Google, Tier 1 companies, we have many startups as well in cities. They conduct conferences. There you can attend and know about that specific domain, like what are the things happening in the domain, and as well as what are the latest trends. And you can do networking as well. Networking in the sense whenever you attend a conference or meetings or any meetup kind of things, there you can come in contact with people who are working in the companies, so they can help you out in securing a job, right? They will tell you the career path, roadmap, and uh, correct knowledge. They might be sharing the correct knowledge rather than a person who is not working in a company. So The right person who can guide you is the person one who is working in that specific industry only, right? So these are the few things which a student must do before applying for any job in the present IT market, right? So after doing this any kind of internship or attending hackathons, so he can add these things into their resume, right? Second, after learning any specific programming language and tools, he or she has to do projects. Now the question is how to do projects. So while doing a project, a candidate has to learn many programming languages like Python, Java, along with some tools for database tools, right, for testing tools, DevOps kind of things, cloud knowledge, data skills. So a project needs a number of skills. Barely knowing a programming language like Python or Java won't help any candidate in securing a job. So he can do projects by taking help of YouTube channels. There are many YouTube channels out there which can help you in uh, uh, doing projects in a specific domain like testing, cloud, big data. So there are many technologies, right? So you can take Udemy as well. In Udemy also you can purchase a course and do projects in sorry. So in a Udemy course, you can learn the skill, and at the end of that specific course, you can do the project as guided by the instructor. This can help you in gaining a job, right? So doing projects is the ultimate solution to get a job in the present IT market. So without projects and internships, a candidate cannot secure job in the present IT market. So these are the few things which a candidate must do before preparing a resume. So uh, preparing after doing such things like hands-on, gaining hands-on knowledge, projects, and after gaining technical skills, he can prepare a resume in a easier way, right? So these are the few things which can help a candidate in securing a IT job. So finally, the final part of the session is like how to prepare a resume, effective resume for securing a job. So we can use, generally in the traditional system, what we do, we open Google Docs or MS Word and we start typing our career objective, educational qualifications, technical skills, and followed by personal details. We will be adding mobile number and email address and closing the resume. So that won't help us, right? So nowadays resume can be prepared using templates. There are many websites over there which provide you a template, easiest way to prepare a template. You just need to modify the names and personal details and universities. So one of the popular website is Overleaf, right? So you can type Overleaf, click on this Overleaf online latex editor, log in with your Gmail account to make the process a bit easier and faster. Okay, I don't want any kind of premium subscription. I am clicking on skip. So I will type my full name over here, right? PPR. So right. So these are the few questions you have to answer. I will keep on skip. You can also read and go over to it. Where do you primarily work? Right. So I'm clicking on skip again. Maybe later. Next, click on browse templates. So templates of resume, right? You need a template for resume, right? So here there are number of templates. I will click on the second one or on the just a minute. So I will go back. So I will click on the second one. It is a kind of vertical resume, I think so, right? So I will click on open as template. So on the left side we have the content which we can edit. So suppose this is a template of the resume. Okay, so now to edit the contents we can click on this left side, scroll down. So if you want to edit the role, you can edit the name, you can edit the email address, mobile number, you can edit everything over here. So for that purpose we have to uh, click on code editor, right? From here, suppose if I want to change the name John Doe, so I can do that. So here is that name. So if I rename this, it will get reflected over in the resume right over here. If I click on recompile, so here is my name. So similarly we can update the role, location, right? You can update the email address, mobile number over here. So these are the things where we need to edit, and the same will be reflected in the right side. So this is the actual resume. So like this we can edit our resume, we can change the image as well. We can click on, we can click on over here and upload a new passport size photo of your choice, right? So like this you can edit this image as well. So this is the main dot tex where you need to do the changes. So if you want to edit the summary, we can click on search, type summary. Okay, here is it. So you can change this content, you can add career objective as well, right? Next, similar we can rate experience, education, everything, and click on download. Finally, you will get the PDF version of the same. So see how it has populated. So this is the PDF version. So like this, you can change the contents in the left side, which is code editor, and finally you can click on download button. You will get a PDF of your resume within a short span of time. So here there are no projects section, right? So you need to select a template. You need to select a template with much better template, right? You need to select a resume with a much better template where you can add projects and personal details, right? So the best template is the one where you can add uh, career objective followed by experience, then followed by technical skills, and at the last you can add educational qualifications and personal details. So the project, experience, hands-on skills, real-time skills need to go on the top, and at the final stage you can have the educational details and personal details. For example, I can show you your resume of mine which I had used for getting jobs through Naukri and LinkedIn. So this is a kind of resume, vertical resume, right? You can have horizontal resumes as well. So this is a kind of resume. So the experience goes over here like under the category of profile summary. Similarly, I have many resumes over here. I will show you one by one. So this is a kind of one more resume. So you can check here like you can check see here like there is work experience on the top, right? There are certifications on the right side, strengths, education. So this is a one page resume. So the main thing which you have to focus is like you have to prepare a resume which should be of one page. So this will help the recruiter to easily analyze your profile within a short span, right? So kindly try to avoid keeping the resume of 2 3 pages, right? You can keep a resume very short and precise with the quality skills, right? So you need to mention projects, hands-on skills, internships in case of fresher, right? For experienced you can add many things. So for freshers the main thing is to add projects, internships like this. You can add intern, developer, experience, hands-on skills, etc., etc. So which will help you to secure a job easily in the present IT market. So I will show you one more resume. Just a minute, it is loading. So this is also a resume of mine which I had used. So I had directly mentioned the skills over here: hands-on experience skills, real-time skills, technical skills, followed by educational qualifications, professional experience, and so on. Personal details at the last, right? So these kind of skills can be added when the candidate has done any kind of real-time projects, internships after his academic qualification or while doing his final year of the education. So these are the few of the tips a candidate can follow to secure a job in the present IT markets. So first thing is the student has to learn programming skills, tools. Then he has to use those skills and tools to do a project. He can build a project on his own. He can use front end tools, back end tools, cloud skills, DevOps skills, everything. He can build an end to end project and then add the specific project into resume. So this will help the recruiter to select your resume and call you back, right? So these are the few of the uh, tips from my end, so which I had learned in my experience after years of IT experience. So I had used the resumes which I had shown you for many companies, right? I had used for Uber as well. Recently I had been shortlisted for Uber as well. I worked for around 2 months over there. Thereafter I had left IT. Before that I had used for Delta Technologies as well, Infosys, etc. So these are the few of the tips. So I recommend every candidate, 0 to 3 years of experience candidate, to do projects after learning programming languages or any kind of technical skills. You need to build a project, end-to-end project, add that into your resume. So that resume will definitely help you to secure a job. Okay, fine. So you can use many online resources like Overleaf. There are many online resume preparation websites like Naukri also helps you to prepare resume, right? So it is one of the popular one. Overleaf is the one of the popular one. So there are many websites, resume builder, we have Canva as well. So you can use these websites to save time and use the best templates right over here. We have Adobe's online free resume maker as well. So this is also one of the popular one. So you can log in using a Google account to make the process bit faster. So selecting the right template will help the recruiter to select your resume. So these kind of templates will help the recruiter to attract you, right? These are the kind of templates which are looking very attractive, right? So like this you can prepare resume rather than using MS Word or Google Docs. So you can select any one of the resume and continue editing the contents, right? So I will select this resume. This is for premium users only. So like this resume has populated. You can make changes by clicking on the specific elements, right? You can change over here. You can change the image as well. So these are the few websites which can a fresher or candidate use to prepare resume online. So right. So fine, that's all for today's that's all for today's this video. Thank you.